Hello, my name is Pearl. I'm the beadinggem, and here is my latest tutorial. I recently received the xToolM1, which is a combination laser cutter and blade cutter. Like all laser cutters, the exhaust fumes have to be vented out from the machine. You can either use a filter machine or best vent it outside. So this tutorial shows you how to create a weatherproof clear window insert to vent a laser cutter outside. It is demonstrated with a casement window, but you can adapt the idea for other window types. The alternative would have been to just shove the vent tube outside the window, but then the cold air, rain or snow would then come in. The first thing to do is to remove the window screen, if there's one. And then use some rubbing alcohol to clean all around the window frame where the insert will be placed. We used 9mm clear polycarbonate sheet with a cutout hole. It was CNC routed for us by a local company because polycarbonate cannot be laser cut. We did not want to permanently glue the insert in place, so we used a flexible acrylic latex caulking designed for windows. We caulked all around the window frame, removed the back protective sheet from the polycarbonate, and then pressed it gently into place, and then caulked again where it was needed to keep the polycarbonate sheet stable. After the caulking had set, we gently removed the inner protective layer. Then the housing for the vent tube was attached to the machine, and the vent tube itself was clamped into place. On the other end of the vent tube, we attached it to the ABS adapter with a hose clamp. And then on the smaller side of the adapter, we applied self-stick weather seal with the edges slightly overlapping. The vent tube was then gently inserted into the hole of the polycarbonate. Some wriggling is required. As you can see, it didn't quite fit, so a small amount of the weather seal was removed. The vent tube was laid as best we can in the house that we have. The window itself will be closed most of the time, but when I need to laser cut, I would then open the window fully. Here is my initial cuts on the laser cutter. You can actually see the fumes from the laser cutting of the wood. There's an internal fan in the xToolM1 which drives the fumes out through the vent and through our window insert. I can't smell anything in the house. Please subscribe for more tutorials in the future, and also check out my blog for more tips, tutorials, and inspirations.